Good evening family. Today is the 8th day of challenge and I am going to share most critical learning from that video. Author has outlined 30 days test and want all of us to make. By this we can gain something, but if we don't, we will not lose anything. There are two things. Each one wants something and each one afraid something. Write down what you want. It may be money, it may be home, it may be particular any job, your good health, anything. Write down your goal in a card and it should be well defined. Carry the card and look at the card several times during the day. Think about your goal in positive way just after getting up in the morning. Look at the card before going to bed and think that we become what we think about, and think about your goal. Most difficult task is to build our habit and stop thinking negativity. In 30 days, we must control our mind. In 30 days, we have to do more what we used to do. Give of yourself and the return is directly proportionate to what we give. The moment we decide on a goal and work towards it, we became 5% of successful people. Don't consider how part now. Leave that part to the power which is more superior than us. All what we have to do, we have to know where are we going. Rest all will be come to us at right time. For few more things we have to remember. For everyone who asks, receive. Everyone who seeks, finds. And to everyone who knocks, the door will be opened. All we need to have a purpose and faith. If you fail, that means you are having negativity in your mind. Let's start the test again for next 30 days. Gradually, a habit will build. You will automatically understand that nothing is impossible. And don't worry. Worry brings fear. Only we have to hold our goal before us. Rest everything will be taken care itself. Till then, Tata, bye bye, see you tomorrow.